Okay, here is room 14798. It is a club balcony room, and you do have to have your key card in here to have the lights on. And then here is the bathroom. And one of the great things about the bathroom and the club balconies, they're a little bit bigger showers. So you can see this is a little bit more of an extended shower. And then you have your shampoo and your body wash over here, and then this does adjust up, and then you have these jets that come down. It is a pretty nice shower. And then you have some storage and a garbage can underneath, and then you have a little bit of room on the side of the sinks, but it is a double sink. And then you have this room up above where you can put some of your items, and then you have hand soap here on the side as well. And so this is the bathroom. And you have your two hooks that are over here on the back of the door. You have some hooks right across from there if you need to hook anything. And then you have a full-length mirror here, some storage under here, and then you have this little desk area. And then here are two outlets. And then when you turn around, that was the door where you came in, and then your bathroom is over there. This is your closet area. It does have sliding doors. There's a small safe in here, but this is the room that you have. So you've got all of these shelves here, then the shelves on the top, and then when you slide this back, this is the only hanging area that you have. And then let me just kind of spin around so you can see the other part. Your closet's right over here, and then you have your couch area, your bed. Beside the bed, there is a little table here, no outlets that I can see on it. And then you have another little slim place to put your phone, but I don't see any plug-ins on the sides here. This is one of your kind of older ships, so it doesn't have a lot of plug-in options. Then you have your TV here, some storage under here. You can see a few little shelves, and then you have some storage right here. And then let me take you out to the balcony area where you have two chairs and a table. And so here is what you'll see off the balcony, and I want to just kind of show you down. The lifeboats are right under here as you're looking down. So we are midship in this room, and this is the two chair areas and the table here in room 14798 club balcony